Hey, if you own a workroom, listen up. EW isn't just for big window treatment businesses.
I'm Ronica Van Gelder. My business is Ronica's Custom Creations. I'm in the Raleigh area. I've been in business for 25 years. I started out as a workroom and I did mostly retail, some wholesale. But after years of wearing all the hats and doing all the jobs and going out on appointments and making the product and installs and all the things, I decided it was too much to do all of that. It stressed me out, and the part that stressed me out the most was doing the actual workroom things. So I started contracting out drapery panels and would still keep some things, my hands on some things, and eventually let go of all the fabrication. And I'm much happier being the window treatment consultant designer and managing the project from consultation all the way through installation.